Now you know how to make a Gantt chart or a harmonogram. But what will we do with this Gantt chart and harmonogram later on in our project? We can use it to add resources, to calculate and create a budget, and to report progress. Let's look at the Gantt chart and resources. I used my dear old friend Harry Potter because of his magical knowledge. Unfortunately, in the Muggle world, you cannot use magic, so Harry has to work like anybody else. I allocated the resource on activity A for 75%, on activity B for 45%, and so on. And now per period, we can evaluate what is the time the resource is allocated to the project. We see it's not really good in this part, but we will do some more exercises later on and find solutions how to deal with over allocation. So resources and the Gantt, a very important step because we have to adjust the start and finish date of the activities in order not to over allocate work to the resources. Budget and the Gantt. Every activity costs money, so we add that money, the cost of the activity, to the periods, and we can calculate the budget that we need for every period. We call that the time-phased budget. In addition to that, we can calculate the cumulative budget. It is the cost of the period added to the cost of the previous period. So period 1 has a total cost of 15, period 2 also 15, period 3, 4, 5 and 6 of 20, and period 7 and 8, 10. Now we add 15 to the previous period, we get 30. We do that for all the periods, and in period 8 we see that the cumulative budget is 130. The last use of the Gantt chart is to evaluate project progress. The red line shows the day that we measure the progress. The black lines in the activities show the status at the time of the red line. For activity A, we see that it's completed. Activity B is not completed yet. It should already have been completed. So it's late, but we have to evaluate, will it have an effect on the project, yes or no? Activity C, very important, a critical path activity. We see that it already advanced more than what we expected for this moment. And activity D, again, is late. So using the Gantt to monitor progress, we have an idea how our project is advancing schedule-wise. A lot of information in this section. I will see you in the recap session, and we are ready to go to the next section, which is about resources, the first application of the Gantt chart that we will use after this section. See you there. You did a great job. Have a nice day. Thank you.